on a cooler day today, on a Monday, I come to the Tredegar Junction pub, which sadly is in a shocking state. So I'm just gonna have a little walk around it, or what's left of it. God, what a marvelous looking building. I believe the railway ran through here once. So let's see if we can capture some of it before they tear it down. Busy old road again. First light being knocked down. It's look like can't walk down the front of it no more. I'll just take you in on some parts of it which is left. What is left. So we'll take a few shots of it close up. We go with the entrance there. As I said, I believe the railway ran past here once. Some of the letters still intact there. Take a good look at it. I'd like to go down there and have a look, to be honest. So the sign hung there. The window's still open upstairs. Side view angle there. Oh, it's a lot cooler today, considering our heat wave we had last week. What are they going to do with this building? Are they pulling it down? Take a lot of money to refurbish it, won't it? Hang on, something going on now. No, further down. No, I can't get in there. There's even the old letterbox is still there. Close to that. So I can't go in there. I'm afraid that's all it is. That's like something's happening down behind. Well, I like to video those buildings before they take them down or refurbish them, hopefully. But this was the pub, Tredegar Junction pub, on the route of the old railway, I believe, many years ago. So obviously looking at it, it's seen some good times. So, just a short little clip of the Tredegar Junction, Blackwood. or Pontllanfraith. And what's left of it, as I say, grand old entrance there. That's the bit that's interesting. I said, I remember passing you and this being used. That's the sign hang there, like I said earlier. And as you come down, look at that letter box there. Can't give us any letters there anymore. One day it'll open that back up as well, hopefully. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little short clip of the building. It's also in a sad state again. But I would love to see it brought back, as I always say, and if I win the lottery I will do it. All these lovely buildings, I spend all my money on these buildings. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again next video. Bye for now.